Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short, little unboxing video to share with you guys. 3 for a loop there, with the box on the bottom and the card on the top. Okay, so this is a knife that actually Flytanium asked me about a long time ago if I wanted to check it out, and I said yes. And then both myself and Flytanium got busy, and then we just forgot to respond. We forgot to respond to each other. So I finally got it worked out to have them send me one. Many of you will already be aware of this, and if you're not aware of this, you'll think this is really cool. Thank you so much to Flytanium for sending this in. It is available. I will link it down in the description. It does help my channel when you use those links, but that's up to you. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me. Make sure you turn on your notifications for the Metal Complex YouTube channel so you don't miss my content, and especially my live giveaways. We have a new variation of the arcade. Maybe it's the same exact thing, but there was something that I found particularly interesting about this one. Oh, I am so into this. Oh, yes, this is exactly what I wanted it to look like. How cool is that? Oh, God, I love it. Wait, hey. This is different than the one that I have. Oh, man. So we have, I don't know if this is polycarbonate the right word? Is that what that is? This is the Demco Shark Lock. On the, hold on a second, OS 10A, that's right, OS 10A. So this is the Demco Shark Lock on a budget-ish version. I actually can't remember what this version of it costs. I'm sure there's still, more premium versions. But I love this one because of the color that I can get it in. As soon as I saw that they had this green... Am I just making words up or applying the wrong... Is it a thermoplastic? Is that what it is? I don't know. Please help me. I'm a professional of nothing. I'm just a guy trying to talk about pocket knives. But I loved the original arcade. It just felt a bit sharp in certain areas. And so manipulating it and holding on to it, gripping it during use was not quite the perfect setup, right? Now I love the 80-20.5. This is authorized use of the Demco, Shark Lock, by the way. And also, I don't know, are these Taiwan made? Because the other arcade is Taiwan, right? There's a Shark Lock and everything. Warning, sharp object, etc. Oh, is there more stuff in here? I don't know if there's like a little piece of paper that says where it's made. The last arcade was manufactured in Taiwan. Knife anatomy, diddly doo. Here's a thing you can scan if you want to. That rhymed. I don't know if this is actually an upgrade to the standard. This is not a review, by the way, so if it seems like I don't know about this knife yet, it's because I don't. This is the first time I've ever handled it, right? We do the unboxing first, and then the full review comes down the road. This feels ergonomically superior to my old arcade, and I actually don't know if this is a little bit bigger. I feel like the old arcade was a little shorter. This guy's even longer than the 20.5, and let's put it up against the Shark Cub, which is one of my current most EDC'd knives ever. So, and mainly because it's everything that I like about the 80-20.5, but everything is just easier. Like the grip zones are better, and you can manipulate it just as easily. This guy, though, might have everything that I wanted this guy to have in terms of comfort, because we have this my biggest issue with the 20.5 is this little area back here forcing my hand into this one specific spot. And while this guy kind of does it too, this is a little more at an angle, and these edges are super well knocked down. What do we say? What do we got in here? Patent. Okay. So this is lightly textured. We have, of course, the Shark Lock, which is going to be mega strong and operate on a coil spring housed in here. This particular version looks like probably, I mean, if we're lucky, it's PVD. Os 10A, which is fine with me. This is a knife that I'm definitely going to EDC. I love this, like, emerald nuclear, it's like Sonic the Hedgehog Chaos Emerald green, right? I love this color. I think that's so cool. And this knife will be next to impossible to lose. Manipulating this shark lock and the thumb studs, so perfect, so easy to do, so second nature. Big fan of that. Man, I knew I was going to like this. I definitely like it more than the... Okay, so this guy is going to actually contend with my Shark Cub and also my Sage 6. I can tell you that right now. I don't care if one has more premium materials or the other, right? I care about, you know, how likely I am to reach for something to use. And the fact that this guy is not, you know, this particular version of this knife is not mega ultra premium. Oh, look at that pocket clip too. Oh, look at you guys go. The fact that this is not a super duper crazy ultra mega expensive knife, it's probably still fairly pricey with the Demco name on it, but not, you know, super expensive. I'll probably be more likely to pick it up and throw it in my pocket. Man, this is a cozy knife, man. This is this is how I wanted the arcade in the first place. I really like this. This is really cool. This is the type of pocket knife that I will reach for to put in, like, because here's the thing. This is a tool. Like, this is a straightforward, lightweight, compact tool. Doesn't have anything special for the blade material, but whatever, right? I'm probably going to throw it around and beat on it. But it's also just cool. Not only the lock and the fidget factor, but the scales, right? What do we got? What do we got for weight? 3 ounces. Ultra lightweight. Let's measure it. Overall length of the arcade, 2.0. I don't know. 7.75 inches. Wasn't the last arcade shorter? Am I wrong? Am I misremembering? Almost 3.25 inches. This has got really nice ratios, and it's got a little choke up spot too. And thank goodness, functional jimping. This is a winning collab. Has this knife been out all of 2025? Or did they release it in 2024? This is going immediately into my pocket. Man, if they would change their base steel from Os 10A to something like 14C28N, Nitro V, 154CM, something like that, I would be so... And I know, like, there are plenty of arguments to be made. Like, you're saying 154CM, like, Os 10A isn't that far off of 440C, which is also not that far off of 154CM, right? Like, people who dig into the nitty-gritties of this, I remember you guys saying that the first time I criticized Os 10A, and then I looked into it, and I was like, oh my god, they're right. It's really not that far off. But I still want, like, 154CM has other superior qualities. It's not just edge retention, which, again, is pretty up and down. Like, if you compare, like, 440C's maximum potential edge retention, it's way higher than I thought it was. There's a lot of variables there. And a lot of what I want is just based on me associating a certain premium nature with certain steels at certain price points, right? We all do this. But, yeah. I don't know exactly what the base price of this is, but I can tell you, just opening it up and experiencing it, and the fact that it's this color, I love. Yeah, that's so cool. It's going right into my pocket. This is extremely good first impressions. I love this. I hope they have versions of this where you can get this scale material, but with like a premium blade steel. You know, if you want like 20 CV or Magna Cut or something, I think that'd be cool. I don't know. We'll find out, and then I'll give you guys all the details in the full review, or you can simply use the link in the description and find out for yourself right now. That's going to be it today. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.